welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I will be showing you guys how I install my ponytail wig. I'm gonna have to see where I got the wig from. Maybe I can add it in the description or something. But anyways, I'm gonna be adding this curly ponytail attachment. First of all, let's get some things out of the way. Yes, my hair is short. Yes, my hair is gray. Yes, my hair needs a trim. So now that we got that out of the way, I don't want to see in the comments. I'm kind of just gonna be throwing products in my hair. That's what I usually do when I add this ponytail in. So yeah, let's get right into it. Okay, you guys, so first we're gonna start out by figuring out where I want my ponytail to be. So I think I want it like not so much at the bottom of my head, but oh wow, looks like I got my haircut, but like kind of right here, you know, because I kind of want to give like the curly ponytail come in, you know, you can see it from the side. I mean, look at me from the front and see it from the side, you know. So I'm going to start by pinning all this up in a ponytail, and then I'm going to take this Eco Styler grab a bunch and apply it to my hair. Let me see if I can turn it around. So mind y'all, I have 4C type hair, okay? So I'm also going to be showing y'all how I slick it down for it, you know, because I want it to look somewhat like the hair texture, you know. So you guys see how it's looking. That, brush it. We're gonna take this ponytail holder out, put it along, or keep the, or put it in the hair. That, try to hold it in place while we keep adding things. We're gonna add some Pump It Up spritz. Brush that down. And believe it or not, I actually still use this to slick my hair down, because your girl got some tough hair to slick down, okay? So there it is. Rub it in. Put it on the hair. Like that. Add some more Pump It Up. This looks right now. Here. Does it look okay? It'll look better. Yeah. So now I'm gonna take my blow dryer. after you burn your stuff one time, you can move on to the next section. If you want it as flat as possible, you need to work in small sections. So that's what I'm doing. Okay, we can take this pointer out now. And we want to add some Eco. Pump it up. You gotta work one side at a time, y'all. Beeswax. Or one section at a time, I should say. I feel like I'm pushing it more to the side. The other side. I'm gonna get it as flat as I can because, you know, first of all, my hair is short. So this is the part where we're gonna add some Got To Be. Smooth it in. So now let's see what it looks like in the back. You guys have to tell me, but just know that this is good as it's gonna get. Do I want to go all back or do I want to have a part? I think I want to go all back because it's gonna be this time. So let's go ahead and just add Eco to the rest of the hair. Y'all, look at this. I like how clear my camera is today. So we want to smooth it in there. much as we can. You guys, look at my hair. I'm so proud. Because there was a point in time when I could not get my hair to slick down because, yeah, I thought it was just possible. So, but now I found the right products to do enough, you know. I can't believe I just did this. Oh no. Oh no. This is not what we're finna do. Right now, we're just trying to get rid of the white as much as we can. And then we're gonna add the Pump It Up. Smooth it in. Add the Got To Be. What is this? Working sections. Okay, so I'm gonna try to smooth this in before I add the cool mix. Because it kind of gives the illusion that my hair is actually, you know, it kind of blends better in my opinion. Brush it in. We'll brush it on this side, but it's cool. Brush it in and add the heat. Smooth it back, add it all together. There we go. We got the little ponytail in the back. But got to see. You guys can smooth it out even more if you want. Sometimes I smooth it out. I'm gonna try to smooth it out as much as I can. I just use some more gel to kind of give it a shine as well. So let's hit it with another blast. And then this is my favorite part, y'all. Actually, should I do this before or after? Maybe I should just do the baby hairs before. So I'm gonna take out some baby hairs. You could take out baby hairs, adult hairs, whatever you trying to take out. But I like to give like a little, I be wanting to try to give Lori when I do my baby hairs, you know. Ooh, I took out an adult hair. Hold on now. But you see, you guys? I'm gonna do my baby hairs first. I got my little comb. Y'all, please excuse this. I just keep going with the edge job. Sorry. I have to do it. So I'm gonna use Eben today. Eben edge control. You can do the edge control. You can do your edges before or after. Doesn't really matter. Bring my edges out a little further. I think that's good. Okay. I think that'll do it. That's good. Good. Now for the ponytail part, let me brush this out a little more so it can be a little neater. Alright, y'all, so I brushed it out a little bit. Maybe we should add some miel. Y'all, I thought I cut myself. Yeah, let's add that. So we can smell good. And walk past. That. Okay, that looks good. That looks good, guys. So there's 2 combs in here. We're going to attach one of them, obviously, at the top of the ponytail. Oh, look at the back, y'all. It's fine. We're gonna attach one at the top of the ponytail, one at the bottom, and then there's this little string. I don't know if you guys can see right there. I'm gonna pull it and adjust it to fit snug on the ponytail. And then we're gonna take the string and some hair. Take a little bit more hair. Okay, we're gonna take these and kind of wrap it around. Because we don't want it showing. We really don't. We're gonna take some hairpins. Kind of so it stays. And there we go. And a couple more pins so we can make sure that it's secure. In case you got a signal. I'm just kidding. You can All right, y'all. So here's how it looks. Back home, yeah, back home. Okay, obviously. Put that a little more. Y'all, this would be so much easier if I had longer hair. Alright, you guys, so here's how it looks. See the top and the side. I think I want more definition. Wow, I keep changing stuff. Oh well. Okay. Okay, here is, you guys. How's it looking? Here's an up close. Here's the back. Okay, you guys, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And let me know what you guys want me to do next. I love trying hairstyles, so I'm always down to try a good hairstyle. But this one is super cute, you guys. Nice, quick little ponytail. Especially since the summer's coming. You want to wear some curls. Yeah. But don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And let me know what else you guys want me to see. Let me know what else you guys want to see. Thanks for watching. Bye.